would I like to use this particular drawing to illustrate how one of the tools on the gCADPlus drop-down menu can save you a great deal of drafting time. I have a rectangle here, which if we look over here is 5,000 by 5,000, a 5 metre square area. Just imagine that you wanted some massed planting in that area. It's quite tedious to copy and paste. So we can use the tool on the drop-down here to fill a closed polyline with a symbol. So let's remove all of the existing symbols that are in here, and I'll just hold my shift key down and we'll leave the beige background there, and we'll erase all of those in one go. Now let's operate that tool. gCADPlus will pick it. We select a symbol, so I've made a little symbol. It has to be a block. This one happens to represent a pot, a plant in a pot. That's a 400mm diameter pot, but that's by the by. The next prompt says select a closed polyline. Well, the rectangle is a closed polyline, happens to be 5 metres by 5 metres, and now we're asked for an input distance, and I mentioned that the pot diameter was 400, so let's put them quite close together. 405 is the distance, and then we're asked for an angle. Let's put this massed planting at 45 degrees, and in everything goes with a minimum of fuss, so that can save you a lot of drafting time. It doesn't, of course, have to be a polyline that's closed as a rectangle. Could be any other shape. So let's draw a polyline and not worry about boundaries or whatever. Let's just put that shape in, right click, close it, and apply some curve fitting. And there we have a shape which you might want to fill. You can tweak it, of course, at this stage. If I select here, might want to add, say, another vertex here, and that will enable me to smooth things off just a little. And right click, unselect, so I've got the sort of shape that I want. Let's right click, and the command that we've just used is called PLANTHATCH. So we select the symbol again and hit the enter key after we've picked the closed polyline. Is it closed? That's the question. We'll try 405. Hit enter. Patterning angle, well, let's try 30 degrees this time, and in things go. So there's our mass planting. We can easily easily remove any symbols that hang over the edge. So that may well save you a good deal of time.